Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to Luna Classic video update for Wednesday 26th of October. Now first of all, there's a lot of fire going on. It's crazy out there with Luna Classic. We are breaking out, particularly at the moment. The bear flag that we talked about yesterday has been invalidated. I told you about 24 coming above 24,500 and we're going to invalidate the pattern. That has happened. Check. Now where do we go from here? So it brings us back to the square one where I talked about the weekly. Okay, so the weekly is everything. Today is Wednesday, and by Saturday, guys, I'm gonna be out for some vacation. So basically, yeah, I'm gonna be doing this updates for like 4 more days or 3 more days, and I'm gonna be out for maybe 8 days. Now to me, I still know that there's a technical target to come down here, but the thing is, I told you before that now you have 4 days and 14 hours for this candlestick to basically make a closing. What I want to see for Luna Classic is, maybe go back up to 33,652 in 4 days, and that will be amazing because we talked about the potential of 3 rising method. So if you look at the 3 rising method at the moment, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so three red candles, 1 big huge green candle. Can you do this in the next 4 days, 14 hours? You never know. And we do know that Luna Classic likes to really pump to the upside. So I told you before, if you're gonna break out of the trend, then you can actually make a little bit of a good support. So if I do resume the 4-hour time frame at the moment, you can see that's a clear range, break of this, and not only that, but what I do see is, you had this first bottom, second bottom, and the triple bottom on the 4-hour time frame right now. So this is what I want to tell you right now. So basically what you can do next is, come up to this particular resistance and hit your head at 25,000. Okay, so you got to be careful. The second scenario that was there the first one was, of course, 3 rising methods. Now this is going to be a suspense. Okay, you have 4 days to actually make a decision. Is the possibility of a small 3 black crows where you actually move a little bit higher and then you come down. So this is my personal pick, that you're gonna make that small green arrow. I told you about this some like 4 or 5 days ago, that you could have a relief week this time. Yesterday I know I talked about the bear flag, but it's got invalidated. That's not going to play out. It's not going to come down anymore, because invalidation happens, you have to flip to the other side. Now this is what I'm expecting actually. 3 red candles, a little bit of a green candle to the upside, and then move lower, which is my personal pick. And one thing is very clear though, you want to go step by step. Now you have 4 days for that, so I'm not going to wait 4 days to see what happens. At the moment, what I can say is that you do have this one big pattern right here, which you're about to break out of. So if you come up above there, you can see that was your resistance right there. You have this resistance right over here. So if you're going to break out of that particular pattern, then you're looking for a trade or a technical target to go from, and I'm going to trade this if it happens, by the way. So yeah, you can actually look for a move up, for a nearly 11% move to the upside, which is going to be 11.53%. okay, so it all depends if you can actually just come up here and try to break out, and it seems like you're really trying to do that. Can you do that? Maybe. You never know, but that's the thing. Now on the monthly though, this is what I'm looking for. The problem is on the monthly. Now the monthly is still showing us a bad pattern, of course. So you can see that next to it, if you're going to close even at nearly 28,000, that is still not good enough. Okay, if you close at 28,000, that's still not good enough, because next to it you're going to make some red candle, which is going to be a doji, and it's going to be important. And I told you before, it's going to be important for Luna Classic to come above 37,436 to continue the momentum and make new higher highs potentially from there. So on a monthly time frame, we're talking about this breaking out 37,000 as well. Okay, so that's what you're gonna have to look forward to. So let's see. We go step by step. That's the monthly, that's the weekly. Hey, the 4-hour time frame looks like heaven if you actually get lucky by potentially breaking out of that pattern, and you can actually place like a day trade 11%. That's sweet. That's actually sweet. And from here, boom, 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 break to the upside, come a little bit for the retest, move up to $28,000. Sounds like a perfect idea to me. So let's see if it does something like that. Surely place a trade right there. And I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.